I moved into a different town a couple months ago, and I actually like it, but I don't like it because I can't have my big ass bonfires that I used to be able to. I gotta keep it small, and I can only have it on certain days. Fucking meatheads.
Dude, wanna go get a cool bus?
Wanna go drive a bus?
Hell yeah.
Let's go drive a bus.
Alright.
Never driven one before, but we'll find out.
We'll find out the gears. We got this shit.
Hey, I can drive a stick.
Our buses stick though?
Some of them are, some ain't. Most older ones are. Not really the new ones. New ones are automatic. You just have to lever in and shift it down and move it up.
Right. You know how fun me to play with the door?
Driving by someone and swing it open, take that shit out. Like, fuck you, communist. Man, what was it? Some people, so I was fucking around heading to the mall. And I kept honking, right? And then I seen a cop. I'm like, alright, bro, he's good. And then I seen two other fucking cops pulling some dude over, and I was fucking, I honked right before I seen him. Communist.
Oh,
Fuck. Didn't he? Oh, come on, you white trash motherfuckers.
you're a dick.
Yeah. Oh, is that the S10 that hit my buzzer? If you lucky, I'll turn around and beat your ass, nigga. Motherfucker don't hit my buzzer. I don't know, it's a red S10. That's lethal. Like, alright. Oh, and, yeah, you know how that is. So, fellas, I got some good news today. So I went across the river to Missouri to get dipped because they changed the law in Illinois, right? That's where we live. And I was like, hey, I want some smoking vinegar. They said, we only sell tubs. I was like, alright, how much? They were like $13. I was like, sold 10 cans in this tub.
I mean,
Let's put lip in, fellas.
10 cans worth. Maybe more. It might be more.
It might be, honestly.
I feel it'd be like 15 to 20. Don't do it. Don't you do it. We don't got time for the police today.
Fuck them.
We already thought 3. We don't need another. Oh god damn, we're going to hell for this.
I won't give up. County property, no trespassing. Oh yeah?
They're
You
wrong.
think that fucking sign's gonna show me what to do?
Bro, you can't trespass on a piece of rock. Okay. It's not even enough. Literally, it's just that little patch. It's literally that little patch of land we can't trespass on. I find that stupid. I mean, what are they doing with it? Absolutely not a damn thing.
Communists.
Literally, look how small that patch of land is, and we can't even walk on it.
I'll fucking do donuts in that motherfucker.
Oh, I know you will.
Don't think I'll fucking be.
Dude, they got a side door on their bus. We don't got jack shit.
Communists.
We're going with you and communists lately. Aren't you a communist?
No.
What are you, a dumbass? My guy, I'm gonna freaking rip that horn out. Yeah.
What?
Wait, what the fuck I gotta do?
I'm sorry, sir.
You dumb motherfucker. Trying to kill me? Damn right. Poor kid. I'm gonna rip the goddamn horn out of your goddamn car! You're doing it again! You want to fucking stand me! Honking won't make the train go any fucking faster, so don't even think about it.
He's honking like it up.
He's honking like it. Will you quit? I'm seriously going to take this damn steering wheel out of your car and throw it in the middle of the damn train tracks. Dude, I'm thinking of just walking out of the car and hitching a ride on that train. Don't think I won't.
Bet.
No, okay, yeah, I won't. I don't have I don't got time to go to wherever the hell that train's going. I don't even have time to go there. Old grandpa.
You know that was funny. Shut up. Fuck off.
Got any food at your house?
I don't know.
Hey, wanna make a pizza when we get home?
I don't know.
Do we have biscuits?
Yeah.
Okay, we're making it like a pizza.
Alright, frozen pizza.
Okay, even better. Maybe, I don't know. Okay, do you have biscuits?
Yeah.
Do you have pizza sauce?
No, who the fuck carries pizza sauce on it?
Oh, goddamn! Oh, dude, look, Elm Street. We are going to go on Nightmare, motherfucker. Do you have cheese?
I don't know.
Goddamn! Go to the goddamn store more often!
No.
My God, you fucking broke ass bastard.
Hey, what's today? Is today Wednesday?
Yeah.
That means my mom should be going to the store.
Tell her to buy some damn pizza sauce and some cheese.
Hey, pepperoni, pizza sauce, cheese, and every other goddamn thing you make pizza.
Yeah, we want to make. Oh, goddamn, go, 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 go!
Oh, baby. Yeehaw.
I'm about to kick a goddamn cheese drink. Yeah, I remember we got in trouble for that on the fucking late bus. That fucking teacher.
Yeah, shut up.
That fucking teacher like, don't do that again. I said, bitch, watch me.
And I kept doing it.
Alright, I'm going to Walmart tonight.
That's what mom walked, fellas.
I'm going to Walmart tonight.
Let me tell you how fancy this fucking town is. It's out in the country,
And yet there's a fucking Walmart.
but yet we got this fancy ass Walmart. We got these fancy ass fucking McDonald's with the new fucking board on it. They got all this fancy new shit out. And I'm like, really? You got that, but you ain't got time to take out the fucking railroad track and put a block in it so these motherfuckers can't come driving through on them trains? Fuck that motherfucker. Oh, hell.
You know how much I love you, Jesse?
Hey, how much is that?
Man in the window.
Fuck off.
Beep,
We're
Richie.
getting pulled over today.
Oh, yeah, we definitely are. I'm surprised we haven't already.
Officer.
Officer, I have a car horn that goes on every 15 seconds. Okay.
Hey, that's green. Honk, honk.
Don't even do it. I don't got time to go to prison today. Have you ever driven, like, down a railroad track?
You want to today?
No, but I would like to in the future.
But hey, that thing right there, that railroad, has a fucking ladder. You want to climb it?
Where did we to?
I don't know. It's a ladder. You want to climb on it, though?
Fuck no.
I do.
I watched you climb on it. Dude, okay, not gonna lie, I always wanted to climb a water tower.
You want to do it?
If the law says I can.
I don't think it's illegal to climb a water tower as long as you're not vandalizing it. Nah, bitch, you're just climbing it.
So why you climbing that water tower? Cause I'm thirsty.
Mike, that water's not safe to drink at, or you're not safe to look at, so never both.
You're not thankful.
Hey, I heard that boy.
You're a danger to society.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
They say I'm a danger. Fuck no.
There's the old Dodge, fellas, from Hell's Road. That is the same old fucking Dodge.
Dude, I'm gonna miss seeing this Dodge. God damn it.
Hey, you guys want to see what it does when I try to turn it over?
I'll turn you over.
Now watch.
Oh yeah, look at that Dodge, boys.
Y'all remember that, baby. Love it.
Ow! Last wipe.
You want to see if it'll turn over?
Might as well.
Might as well be good for the video.
Come on, open the door. Yeah.
We're in a good society now. We're not inside a field.
You think I give a
Let me go inside and grab my half inch. Come on. Here's your 5. Oh, thank you. I think she's locked up, boys. Pretty sure she's locked up, but let's try it. It does not have battery in it, so I'm going to take the battery out of this.
You gotta take the battery out of that just to put it in there?
Yeah.
Does this one already have a battery in it? Besides this one? Drop that on someone's car, that would kill him.
You big bastard. You think she'll start? I don't think so.
Well, considering that oil spilled out of the bottom of it, no.
It should still turn over.
If it doesn't, can I take a hammer to it?
I kind of miss my mechanic days.
Well, I mean, if you didn't quit that job with Cheyenne's dad,
Yeah, but I also wasn't getting paid $20 a day. Fuck that.
Is that what he told you he paid you?
No, that's what I was getting paid.
Oh.
Alright, let's see. We got climbing.
Hey, it looks like they're making love. Yeah, they're gonna make some love tonight, boys. Do it again. No, nothing happened.
I know what you're thinking. What the fuck are you doing? Well,
Everything gets fixed by being in it. And nothing's happening.
you know what the fuel gauge is on this one?
No.
E.
Well, that's probably why.
Oh, you guys want to see the oil?
Oh yeah, I want to see the oil.
So I'm pretty sure the engine's locked up. I mean,
Here,
that's why it ain't turning over. You guys want to see this oil?
Let's see
I
it.
checked this oil. It's milky. You know what that means?
Chunky and not
Blown head gasket. Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Is it supposed to be like that?
I don't know.
Here.
No, it's not supposed to be like that. Fuck no.
Here.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah. Dude, you can literally see how white it is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that's the oil?
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me see your fucking wrist. That's disgusting. That's literally disgusting.
Engine's locked up, I think.
That is literally the most nastiest thing I've seen in a car. Besides garbage.
You don't get no special treatment. Lock up on me when I'm driving down 255. Yeah, fuck you and fuck your mother for having me.
I miss the old diesel.
Dude, I just thought of a good idea.
What?
I could take the bench out of the back and put it as my seat in that truck.
Do it. Want to do it?
You want to do it?
We'll do it. I'm doing it. Let's do it. All right.
You want to do it?
I'm serious. Let's do this shit. All right.
Fellas, we're going to make trailer park pizza. Very angry grandpa did it. I just got it. Give it up. Oh yeah, yeah. You want to fuck with me? Oh yeah.
There we are.
Okay. Yeah.
So what are we doing right now?
Making pizza. Dumbass. I'm such a fucking idiot.
Yeah, we know this. The whole world knows this.
You know what we forgot to do?
Spray the pan?
Yeah.
Well, we don't know anything about making pizza.
Hey now. Just stay. Okay, no.
God, we're stupid.
Yeah.
Okay, goddamn. Damn. What is that? Fucking non-stick stuff or butter? What was that?
Butter flavored spray.
Oh, okay. I thought it was that non-stick stuff. I'm like, we don't want it to slide right off.
Get back to what I'm doing best, huh?
Laying down biscuits. You're good at laying down biscuits? I think everyone can do that.
Alright.
Actually,
Yeah.
I know some people who can't.
Does she still go to the...
I don't know. I don't even want to talk about it.
Yeah, that was it,
Back in the Disney.
yeah. Yeah, that was back in the Disney. You know what I mean? When I was like,
Shut up. Alright, we need 2 cans or 2 rolls of biscuits.
yeah.
What kind are we using?
Buttermilk.
Buttermilk, dozen home style, whatever. As long as you got biscuits, you're good.
Yeah, whatever, it's fucking biscuits. Biscuits is fucking biscuits. I'll move for that, dude. I thought Jerry was supposed to be here.
I don't care. She probably went home.
Great.
Here, give me it.
No,
God.
no.
I can give you. Oh my god, you're weak. Do I need to do this? What was that?
You don't. Shut up.
By the time we get this freaking open, it'll be nighttime. Here, make the metal hit the counter.
The metal?
The metal, whatever this thing is, aluminum, who cares?
That's not supposed to hit the counter.
If not, see, I don't know how to even open biscuits, let alone lay them down.
Really out, you hit it out, eh?
I like that. That's a new.
Take that with you.
Quit being stupid. So are we doing layers or just one?
Just one.
Okay. You ever eat raw biscuits?
Yeah.
Are they good or no? Oh my god, he really just did that. You really just did that.
I don't know if you're allowed to eat raw biscuits though, but...
Oh god, what's in here? Well, it tore the ingredients off, so...
Should I put these biscuits like together?
Yeah,
Okay.
smush them a little bit together. Oh god damn. Just like AGP did it. No gloves, no nothing. He just used his bare hand. Push them together like you're popping a pimple. God. You realize we're eating this, right?
Yeah. You realize that raw biscuit dough tastes like ass, right? If you didn't know.
I'd rather eat raw cookie dough, and I don't even eat
Hey,
that.
raw cookie dough's good.
I mean, back in the Disney it was, but now it just makes me go to the toilet every fucking now and then.
Hey, I used to finesse raw biscuit dough in the cafe.
Oh my god, I remember when you threw it up on the ceiling. You're like,
You think that's good?
yeah.
Alright. Yeah. I got that. in dough, you pull it out.
I don't think that applies here.
You got to knead the dough.
Yeah, I don't think you're supposed to smash biscuits. This ain't Play-Doh, it's biscuits.
Now,
you break it apart, or you smash. Oh my god, what are you doing?
nope. I'll take that with you. Seriously though, Mom? Can we? Yeah. No!
What?
We can make a pizza roll. Like, roll it up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, see? I'm smart, Mom. Smarter than...
The average bear.
Yeah, smarter than the average bear.
You know what? We don't even need to smooth. Dump it all out. Come on.
Yeah, come on.
Come on. This
We
ain't.
don't play games around these spots. I love pizza sauce.
Yo, we should just chug a jar and then see what happens. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're doing everything I tell you, aren't you?
Yeah.
Eating wrong. He's like, yeah. That's like hard liquor for you, isn't it?
Think that's enough?
No.
Okay.
There we go. That's enough.
Hey, cooking is science, mother. Science is messy.
Science is.
I don't give a shit. Clean up your mess.
I don't give a shit. This is mozzarella.
And who says I can't cook?
Well, we'll just see how this turns out.
No.
Hey, idiot, you forgot to put pizza sauce on the other one.
Hey, idiot, we got another jar.
Oh, yeah, that's right, we do. I forgot paper, too.
Hey, Mom. I have a question. Do you think $10 would be enough to eat at Steak and Shake?
Someone's here. And they left. What are you doing? You're an idiot. Oh my god. Here's how you do it. Here's how you do it. Okay, wait, you get a big ass handful. Big handful, and just sprinkle it on there like that. Okay? Okay?
Okay.
Shut up.
Who's fighting?
Quit, boys.
What?
Bye, boys.
That's not enough.
Hey, you gotta eyeball it. It tastes better like that.
Your mom's or your own choice?
I think that's too much. Stop. You're making a mess. Science is messy.
Nothing can be too cheesy.
You're alright.
Nothing.
Seriously though, Mom, do you think $10 could get me something at Steak and Shake?
Yeah?
And I'm gonna make you a pizza. So can I still get money though?
Alright.
Seen a key out there.
Laying down the pets.
Where?
Shut the hell up.
You can't have too much pepperoni.
You can't have too much cheese.
You're alright.
Yeah, so, yeah, leave the house. Kick me out if you want to. I don't give a damn.
Oh, you ran my slides?
Yeah, I am. You know what?
Get your ass beat.
Do you want to get your face kicked in with the slides? Hey, and that's going to be the new alarm for the retard sign. So AGP added bacon, jalapenos. Yeah, hell no, we ain't doing that shit. We don't got time to cook the bacon. We don't got no
More
jalapenos.
pepperoni?
He did add pepperoni.
Do you want more?
No.
enough.
I'm not a big fan of pepperoni, but hell, we're doing it for AGP's sake.
Now we gotta make our pizza roll.
Pizza roll, bitch.
Oh, see, we got a bottom rack and a top rack. We gooch.
Like anything in the other. No, we got it in there. Bitch. Alright, so this one. Alright, that one can be normal. We can do whatever the fuck we want to that one. I don't give a goddamn what we do.
Okay.
So. Wait, is the oven ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Preheat to 425. Put it in the oven. And wait 15 minutes.
Hello?
You understand me? 425, 15. Alright. Shut up! No, it is not. It's hot. Ain't done. Put it back in for another 345. Or 450. Where the fuck we put it in for? Or shoot. Okay, hold up. Do we put another timer on it? Or do we preheat it again?
We're gonna put another timer on it after it's preheated.
But why do we need a Oh, yeah, because they just ended. Okay, I see what you mean. Shut up. Hey. Oh, goddamn.
Nah, it ain't not. Close the goddamn oven!
I'm hungry! Bitch. I think it's done. I mean, it's burning. Look at that. It's burnt on the top. It's done. Crispy burnt, whatever the... It's done. Yeah, I swear, if we left it in longer, that thing would have been a charred pizza. It looks, yeah, the top looks done. I don't know about that one though. Don't burn yourself. Hey, see that heart? That's our love for pizza.
Alright, you're cooling the fuck down. Oh, man! I'm sorry, no.
Do you know if we can eat any of this? I seriously hope this is good enough. If AGB can do it, then we can do it.
Exactly, where's your plate?
I don't know, I threw it away. It's on the floor.
Get another one.
I'll get you another one. Move your fat head. I said move it! Well, I tell you the first time, you goddamn listen! I'm not dead!
Well, fuck yourself, Tuffy.
I already did.
Oh, great. Your piece must be a nigger.
You're an idiot.
You'll be good, ain't you?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, cut that out.
I will. God damn, what it do? You fucking told me, goddamn bitch.
Is this one my fork?
Yeah, that's your fork. You fucking bit off it, you dumbass. Oh, okay.
It's the dishwasher.
Here, I'm using this one.
I use it. Okay.
Okay. Tiny little titty.
Okay, the first test of our new and improved pizza. You don't really know it.
Okay, we got the bite. Is it good? Is it done?
Yeah.
How is it?
Okay.
Ain't
Not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad, hey. Gordon Ramsay ain't got shit on me, fellas. You know what we're gonna do after we eat this fucking pizza?
I don't care about the goddamn cop. They gonna lick my fat balls. Is that really a cop?
Oh, I can't tell yet.
Here, you want me to show the flashlight off? No, it's not a cop.
No, it's not.
That's a freaking minivan, you.
Well, I seen LEDs.
If you keep doing that, that cop will show up. Hey,
I don't think it's illegal to honk your horn.
but we are disturbing the
I don't
peace.
give a fuck. Fuck that. Fuck them.
Just like AGP said.
I don't know some shits.
You got chips at home.
You want?
Yeah.
Okay. Should I squeal them again?
I don't
Light them
care.
up?
I don't care.
Oh, okay. That's all I need.
Of course. Okay, maybe not into the field next time, but okay.
Okay.
We need a CB radio here.
What?
I want a CB radio now.
Alright, back on 9. I ain't gonna pull that F-150. Honk, honk! Get the fuck out of the way, you motherfucker. I wanna get a PA system. Like, sir, the light is fucking green. Where you go? Oh shit. Hold on. Put the light down.
Cop?
I don't know.
I don't fucking care. Oh shit. That is a cop. Or a fire truck. Fuck. Oh shit, yeah.
I don't know what that's about.
They heard you honking?
Oh yeah, because God forbid I'm honking, that means there's a fire. Oh, come on, fire! Motherfucker. That's on you.
That's your fault.
I wish I was in my Dodge. And then the motherfucker puts the light down.
I don't give a There ain't no one coming.
There we go. Seatbelts are for liberals and pussies. And motherfuckers that don't want to get a seatbelt ticket. And that's for me.
So mainly you're a liberal and a pussy.
Nah.
But
If I did get a seatbelt ticket, I went to court for it. They,
I could probably think
fuck!
What?
Never mind.
What?
Nothing, we're good.
What?
We're good.
Are you sad Dollar General's still open?
No.
Like I can make them get shut down quick.
I'm not even going 255 because these motherfuckers are doing construction on this side.
Oh, that's why you said that. Okay, I see what you mean now. Will you turn off your brights?
You tell them this.
Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah.
Happy Hanukkah. Go fuck yourself. What is Hanukkah?
I don't know.
I don't know either.
Holidays for people that want to celebrate Hanukkah, I guess. I don't know.
I thought it was like a Christmas for Jews. I don't know. Does I look like a fucking history teacher?
You could be, if you actually pay attention.
Yeah, fuck that. Hey, did I fucking graduate?
Sadly, yes.
Exactly. There you go. That's all I got.
Somehow you did, but you know what? Oh, okay. Well, I don't care.
Fuck you. That's how I feel about his ass. Man, I like this one. I wish my Dodge had one.
You know, I'm not even going to fight you on the horn anymore.
Exactly.
Like, I'm just wasting my breath. You ain't ever going to learn.
Exactly.
You know what? I bet there are people trying to sleep.
I don't give a fuck.
Wake up, kids. Breakfast.
Yeah, wake up, motherfucker. It's breakfast time.
Get dressed, get your ass out the door. Time for school. You know, I bet having a light on in your car will get you a ticket. But you think I can get it? Oh, okay. That helps. If we get pulled over, your fault.
Your fault.
Your fault.
Like Officer Legend pulled me over because some asshole was shining a light in your car. Thank you.
Yeah, but
Arrest him.
arrest me.
Motherfucker. Get his ass, boys. 6K9 on him. I think he's got some weed.
You're an ass.
Like, no, he's got meth on him.
Why would I have meth? I don't even know where to get that shit.
You look like you smoke meth.
I look like I smoke nothing.
Yeah, okay.
I look like I just take. I don't even know what I take. I don't even take anything. Hey, you already got the bark thing. All you need to do is the growl. There we go. Or you can just scare them by honking. Oh my god. I think the cops would come after you more than they would come after me.
Like, that was him reaching over and just honking. Don't you slack. How much is that?
In the window.
How much is that in the window? I'm going to jail tonight.
Yeah, you are. I wonder how many. Okay, if we tallied up all the times you honked that horn, how many times have that been?
At least 50.
Each horn honk is a point.
Yeah, let's start now. That's 2. 4. You want me to keep going?
I don't care.
6. 7.
We're 8. 9, I think. I don't know. I'm not paying.
Okay, we have 8 now.
Oh my god, we are so going to jail tonight.
Hi, UPS man. No, 10 or 12, something like that.
I walked the count after 2. What's there again?
And there's another LED.
Well, you know what they say. Where are we?
By Lewis and Clark.
Why are we taking the back road?
255. Fuck off.
Was that your favorite word?
Fuck off.
Fuck it.
Fuck. Fucking man. Hell yeah.
You wish I could light to my eyes again? I'll get my K9 Jesse on your ass.
Fuck. 3, 2.
1. Got back. Honk. Okay, on. 3, 2. 1. Got. 3, 2. 1. Got back. Oh my god. Now that's what we call skirt.
Oh no, that was nothing. I'll get a shitty. Don't worry about that now. 3.
2. 1. Got back.
Fuck him. Into the stars.
With my honking car.
3, 3, 3, 3.
2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Got whacked.
Into the stars with my honking
God.
Oh goddamn.
Oh shit.
3, 3, 3.
2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. Got whacked.
Into the stars with my
Honking car going 50 down the 25. Getting pulled over drunk with no seatbelt on. The cops are searching for the meth.
Not bad, man. Damn it.
We need to make a CD for the world.
3, 3, 3.
2, 1, 1, 1, 1. Go back there! Don't make me get my fucking horn out.
Yeah, don't make me. 3, 3, 3.
2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Go back!
Into the
It's done with my honking car. I already forgot the other lyrics.
Me too.
That's why you create new ones. This bitch has a goddamn tail light. I don't even.
Oh shit, hold on, boys.
Hold on, bitch, don't get me low. I will.
3, 3, 3.
3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Oh shit.
What?
The top.
No.
Oh, I thought it was the top.
3, 3, 3,
2, 2, 2. Oh, what's it? God bless.
3. Into the
Stars with my honking car, flipping people off on the highway, making rocks fly and killing dick flies. Smacking them with the windshield wiper. Nah, that one's not good. Oh well.
We're getting somewhere.
We are definitely getting somewhere.
3, 3.
3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Turn the car!
3, 3,
3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Gotta away!
Into
The stars with my honking car. God damn it, what the fuck? There's a couple of candy canes in the middle of the road.
3, 3, 3.
3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Fuck you!
Okay, what? Alright, do that again. 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Fuck you! Into the.
Oh my god, we are.
Oh, shit, I'm going to hell.
No, we're going to jail. That's the end of it. We're going to jail. Bro, I bet the whole city's going to file a complaint on us.
3, 3, 3.
2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Got a blast. Into the stars.
Oh my god,
I know, cops, I like to be up here as I am. I'm gonna slip my seatbelt off a little bit like that now.
what?
Gotta, you know. 3, 3,
3.
we got it right, dude. If we time it right and that light turns green, got a blast.
Oh my god, yes. Okay, okay, hold on. 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Got a blast. 3, 3, 3, 3. Roll the goddamn car. Alright, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1.
Got a blast.
Go! You're an idiot.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna get the fuck out of my back.
Got a blast now. Oh shit.
Got a blast. Fucking old bastard. Was he old?
No younger woman. In her
Fuck that
20s.
bitch. Man, fuck her. She can't drive.
She got blasted.
She about got fucking rear-ended. Is what she about got.
I know we can step her to a rock and then she can go blast off. Oh my god. We have the good times. Hey,
Fucking cocksuckers.
oh my god.
There's police.
Where?
Behind us. They just passed us.
Oh shit.
We're getting the fuck out of here.
Oh shit, quit honking. Jackson!
Alright, he's not coming back to us anyway. We're good.
Dude, but we got people turning on our ass.
Fuck that.
Oh shit, okay. That light turned green, I thought it was a fucking blue light from a police car. I started freaking. 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Got a blast
Into the stars
with my honking car, running over dead animals. My God, I go dark.
I bet some dead possums.
Got a blast!
I almost smoked a deer in this truck one night.
Oh shit, people.
Fuck them. Is this motherfucker really gonna try to follow me? The person in the van? They're behind us. Are they gonna try to follow me to my house? That'd be the last motherfucker they follow. That's for goddamn sure.
Oh God, I feel weak. Oh God, dude, we should pull in somewhere and see if they follow us into that place we pull in.
Yeah, we're gonna pull into my motherfucking driveway. Hey, and that'd be the last motherfucker they follow. 3, 2,
2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1, 1, 1. Turn the
Fuck you!
3, 3, 3.
Oh, I hope you put your blinker on. I really fucking do, Buzzy.
3, 3, 3, 3. 2, 2, 2, 2. 1, 1,
He
1.
just flashed his lights at me.
Well, that's his fucking fault.
Man, I'm making me angry.
Yeah, we got you on camera, bitch. Is he turning? Nope.
Fuck you. He's lucky.
For real.
I'm gonna be the last motherfucker he followed.
No parking after 2 snowfall. What the fuck?
2-inch snowfall.
Oh, well. Maybe they should put that. Fucking 2 snowfall, bitch. 2 snowflakes fall on the ground. You're a dumbass sometimes. I fucking love you, man.
Shot people, light them up. Bye-bye!
The police come to your door.
Like,
Man.
fuck! Brown chicken mouth cow.
Hey, Mom, guess what? 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm blasting off, bitch.
Bye!
Is Jesse Ball here? Time to blast.
Yeah, I really hope that motherfucker.
Is your mom home?
No, that's you.
Okay, good. I'm gonna bend my head. Hey, guess what? We're making free brownies. Your mom ain't gonna stop us. Ow! Will you quit making me hit my head? You can't drive worth a goddamn. Oh shit!
We're not gonna hit the old Dodge.
Can we though? Dink, dink, dink.
With that's in it.
Hey, just slam on the gas.
No. You touched her. Alright, let's go, boys.
I want my goddamn brownies.
I want to go.
Damn the goddamn car. I'm trying to get the goddamn charger. I might have to break the goddamn thing. Thank
That's
you.
your goddamn charger. We're gonna piss people off.
I don't give a shit.
I don't give a fuck either.
They can go cry about it.
Come on.
I'm trying. Goddamn, I'm getting goddamn. Oh my goddamn. Get your ass back in that car, bitch. Ass wipe. Did it dent it?
No. Fucking mint.
What would you do if I took a headlight out?
Yeah, I'm gonna bust your fucking headlights out, alright. And not on your car either.
I already think I got to bust it out when I was a baby. Why do you think I'm so dumb? Trying to find the guy MC.
Fuck. Shut up. Well, he was just like,
I don't give a goddamn.
well, fuck you. Then you talk to the cops.
Hey, what's up, copy?
You didn't see us driving. I ain't got no proof.
Of what?
Dog, hey, you guys are honking. You ain't got no proof we were driving.
Right. It could have been anyone. It could have been the people right behind us. Alright.
But first thing we gotta do, we gotta clean out this.
What's my phone on?